So right now, like as I was discussing with the CEO, you can see this place is already mapped out. Okay, the survey plan, everything is ready, and the beacon is also here. So it's direct allocation. All right. So all you need to do is to call Madam Peko on 09034296519 to get your own plot of New Banana Island. Remember, New Banana Island is a property of Mercy Divine Properties Limited here in Port-Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. We dey wait for you. We come for inspection and we are about to leave. Okay.